Hello friends, as you know, because of coronavirus outbreak, our schools are closed. So I, Renu Yadav, welcome you here with few topics which you can study at the comfort of your home at any point of time. Before I start, I would like to inform you that computer books of the Legend School have changed and a book of new author will be taught this year in the session 2020-2021. So let's get started. Today's topic is evolution of computer. Now I have given you few word meanings here, which meanings you have to find. The words are integral, generation, improvement, discovery, affect. If you know the meaning, well and good. If you don't know the meaning, please pause the screen, take out one pen and paper, look out for the words in the dictionary, or you can Google it out in any of the web browser. Here I have given you a few questions which you will be able to answer by the end of this video. The questions are: first question, who is called father of computer? Next question, which technology was used in first generation computer? Third question, name the scientist who built ENIAC electronic computer. Question number 4, name the world's first successful electronic computer. And last but not the least question, which write few characteristics of first generation computer. Computers are such an integral part of everyday life. The history of computer tells us that Charles Babbage is called the father of computer. Computers can be classified in various ways depending on their generation, working, size and use. Now let's define the word generation first. Generation refers to the state of improvement in the development of a product. So here, what do you mean by state of improvement? State of improvement means change in technology. With every new phase, new technology was used. And here the product which we are talking about is our computer. So we can say that development of computer involved change in technology. Computer generations are divided into 5 generations. Let's discuss how modern computer evolved generation after generation. Electricity was developed in the 20th century. With the invention of electricity, it led to the rapid development of computers. So let's discuss the evolution of computers in different phases, which we can also call as generations. So there were 5 generations: first generation, second generation, third generation computers, fourth generation and the fifth generation. The computers that were developed from 1942 to 1955 were called the first generation computers. Sometimes the generation of computer is also given as 1946 to 1958 in books, and both the years are correct in their own way. The first generation computers used vacuum tubes. As you can see in the picture, a vacuum tube consists of a glass bulb and wire. The wire is used to carry data in the form of electronic signals. The first generation computers were huge, slow, expensive and often undependable. They required huge amount of electricity as well. In 1946, two Americans, Presper Eckert and John Moseley, they developed ENIAC electronic computer which used vacuum tubes. The full form of ENIAC is electronic numeric integration and calculator. Sometimes instead of integration, integrator word is also used. As you can see in the picture, ENIAC was the world's first successful electronic computer. As you can see, it used thousands of vacuum tubes which took up a lot of space and gave off a great deal of heat, just like light bulbs do. With this, we come to the end of first generation computers. Other part of the generation will be covered up in next video. Before I wind up, let's quickly go through the word meanings. Integral, इसका मतलब होता है अनिवार्य. Generation अर्थात पीढ़ी. Improvement मतलब सुधार. Discovery मतलब खोज. Affect मतलब प्रभावित करना. I'm sure you are now able to answer the questions which I had given you earlier. So let's check it. Question 1. Who is called father of computer? The answer is Charles Babbage. Next question, which technology was used in first generation computer? And the answer is vacuum tube was the technology which was used in first generation computer. Question number 3, name the scientist who built ENIAC electronic computer. The answer is Presper Eckert, and the John Marshall. These are the scientists who built ENIAC electronic computer in the year 1946. For question, name the world's first successful electronic computer, and the answer is ENIAC is the world's first successful electronic computer. Last question, write few characteristics of first generation computer, and the answer is first generation computers were huge. Huge means very big. They were slow, expensive, that is costly, often undependable. They were not dependent on another computer, and these computers required huge amount of electricity. After revising all these questions, I hope you will learn it all by heart. Thank you guys for watching the video.